This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Otrizest 0.1 Nasal Spray provides effective relief from nasal congestion. It's specifically formulated for children, ensuring safety and efficacy. Indications and uses. This nasal spray is primarily used for relieving nasal congestion caused by various conditions such as common cold, sinusitis, and perennial allergic rhinitis. It effectively reduces excessive mucus production and restores normal nasal function, offering symptomatic relief for a comfortable breathing experience. How it works. The formulation works by constricting blood vessels in the nasal passages, which helps to reduce swelling and allows for easier airflow through the nostrils. Directions for use. For optimal results, gently instill 1 to 2 drops in each nostril 1 to 2 times daily, or as directed by your physician. Ensure the dropper is cleaned after each use to maintain hygiene. If using the spray version, insert the nozzle into the affected nostril, press the pump while sniffing, and repeat for the other nostril. Avoid using this nasal spray for more than 7 consecutive days without consulting a healthcare provider, and discard any unused portion after 28 days from opening. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include nasal dryness, irritation, headache, and a burning sensation after application. If these symptoms persist or worsen, consult your healthcare provider. Precautions and warnings. It is important to use this nasal spray with caution, especially if you have underlying health conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, or glaucoma. Always inform your doctor before using this medication, particularly if you are pregnant, nursing, or have other health concerns. FAQs. 1. What is the use of this nasal spray? It relieves nasal congestion due to colds and allergies. 2. Can I use it daily? Use it only for the duration prescribed by your doctor, not exceeding 7 days. 3. Is it safe for children? Yes, but consult your doctor for those aged 6 and above. 4. How long does it take to work? Relief may be experienced within 5 to 10 minutes of application. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. We appreciate your engagement and feedback.